time it does that, bong, I want to go. I want to do the what's it called? The thing from Are You Being Served? That the
lift.
Yeah, the lift. That's it. Yeah, you've got it. Yeah, ladies underwear basement, pots pans. Young Mr. Graves. Notice on point, a little bit of a lift there. And although we've hardly touched this, you can see it. I mean, you can have a look at that one again in a minute. And this is duplicated over and over, all over the woodwork. If you want, you can actually put some scars on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find a dark area. See, there's a little dark bit there. See? Just a little dark mark. It's just a random mark. If I actually darken the top of it, there's no one there. Darken the top of that. Darken the top of that. What it'll read as is something that's slightly lower. A depression, just like on this table. A gamboge. I don't know if this will work actually. And then on the, because it's quite strongly pigmented, I'm now just going to, on the right hand side, where the sun's catching it, the light's catching it, let it dry up a second, and then just lift, and you're getting the beginnings now. Those patinated marks and depressions. Now this constant going leave and lift, I don't know, it's just like a nervous tick. I like it because it seems for me to push the detail into the painting. But the main thing is, it was a method of expediency. That's how it started with me. It was just expedient to be able to dry off enough immediately to be able to carry on working, and it just sort of evolved into a technique in its own right. So let me just turn that round. You can see already it's quite, and that was really clumsy, just sort of four swipes of brush. Now the hard part of that is not understanding the mark making. That was simple, that was easy. I'll manage. Now if you bring that there, which is the same thing but with a lot more time spent on it really. Obviously that's just a lot cooler, a lot bluer. You can see the passages on here too. Bit of clumsy light in the middle there, but that's just for the hell of it. What was I going to say? What was I saying? What was I about to? I was about to reveal something, meaning of life or something, I don't know. I can't remember. That was leading somewhere. That's right. Yeah, the actual, the technique, the mechanics of it are really, really simple. The hard part is the mark making. It's understanding, it's developing a feel, not only for what you're doing, but how you're doing it, when to lay down, when to back off, when to go tough, when to go light. And that's experiential. That's something that comes with time and just sheer. I remember a tutor years ago saying to one student, the student was complaining that,